Number 1.
1978 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000. Powered by a robust 454 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, classic truck offers a combination of power and reliability. With approximately 120,000 miles on the odometer, the truck features an off-white exterior, a black interior, and factory air conditioning. Note this rust-free California truck is in excellent body condition.
Number 2. 1984 Ford F250, price $7,500, with a classic tan exterior and interior is currently available. This reliable truck has been meticulously maintained and has proven its durability with over 102,500 miles on the odometer. Powered by a robust 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this F250 offers a satisfying driving experience. Recent mechanical upgrades include a comprehensive overhaul of the suspension, brake system, engine, and fuel system. The truck's exterior paint, while showing signs of its age and featuring remnants of old pinstriping, still shines beautifully when polished. Number 3.
1984 Chevrolet C20, price $6,000. A classic farm truck, is available. With over 200,000 miles on the odometer, this reliable vehicle features a 350 small block engine that starts consistently. The truck boasts a recent upgrade with new tires, suspension, grille, headlights, taillights, and an air filter. Additionally, it has a new exhaust system and has passed smog inspection.
The exterior is finished in blue, while the interior is also blue. Minor cosmetic issues include a non-functioning passenger window and speedometer.
Despite these, the truck comes with a clean title.
Number 4.
1959 Chevrolet Apache 3100, price $10,000. This truck is a time capsule on wheels. With only 48,000 original miles, this California-born truck remains in remarkably original condition.
The factory brown paint and farmer's bumper give it a classic look.
Its interior is also in its original brown hue, and the manual transmission adds to its authenticity.
Number 5.
1976 Ford F250, price $10,000, with a classic patina is up for sale. This one-of-a-kind truck features a lowered chassis with a C-notch, riding on 20-inch Detroit steel wheels. The interior boasts a newly upholstered bench seat and a green color scheme that matches the exterior. Powered by a robust 390 FA engine, this truck has undergone regular maintenance and features a lifetime starter. With a mileage of 148,000 miles, this vehicle offers a unique blend of classic charm and modern upgrades.
Number 6.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $8,100. This classic square body truck features a 250 inline-6 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, making it a reliable daily driver. The truck has been lowered and C-notched for a sleek appearance and improved handling, thanks to a Beltec suspension system. The exterior is finished in a brown color, with minor rust spots, and the interior features a matching brown color scheme. The bed is in clean condition, making it an excellent candidate for a future LS engine swap.
Number 7. 1979 Dodge D150, price $8,750. With a 318 cubic inch V8 engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a factory-installed air conditioning system is available for trade. Finished in black with a red interior, this classic truck features performance upgrades such as a 4-barrel carburetor, headers, and a 2.5-inch exhaust system. The owner is open to trading for an enclosed trailer measuring at least 8.5 feet wide and 20 feet or longer. Number 8.
1981 Volkswagen Rabbit, price $3,500, with 171,000 miles is currently available. This classic hatchback features a red exterior, a black interior, and a clean title. Powered by a diesel engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it offers reliable and fuel-efficient performance. Mechanically sound, this Rabbit is in good running condition and ready for its next adventure.
Number 9. 1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $4,500, with a manual transmission is available. This truck has been a reliable daily driver but could benefit from some minor tuning. With a gray exterior and a brown interior, it has a classic look. The 3-inch lift kit gives it a rugged appearance. Despite having over 270,000 miles, the engine runs strong after a minor adjustment to the distributor timing. The The air conditioning and heating systems are functional. Number 10. 1990 Ford F250, price $3,000, with only 87,000 miles is up for sale due to a relocation. This classic truck features a manual transmission, a brown exterior, and a matching brown interior. It runs and drives exceptionally well for its age and has very little rust. Recent upgrades include a new clutch, throttle body, and other mechanical components. Although there's a check engine light due to a deleted EGR tube, the truck is mechanically sound overall. Number 11. 2001 Toyota Tacoma, price $8,995. This silver beauty boasts a clean and tidy interior, and the exterior shows minimal signs of wear and tear. Powered by a reliable 4-cylinder engine, it offers a perfect balance of performance and fuel economy. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth and effortless driving experience. With only 93,000 miles, this truck is ready for many more years of service. Number 12. 2003 Ford Ranger, price $6,950. With only 119,623 miles on the odometer, this truck is in great shape, featuring a sleek black exterior and a matching black interior. Equipped with a 3.0L V6 engine, automatic transmission, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and a factory-installed Bluetooth radio, this Ranger offers both comfort and convenience. The truck also comes with a remote start system for added convenience. The AC blows ice cold and the heater works efficiently. The tires are nearly new, and the truck has passed its recent smog inspection. Number 13. 2011 Ford F150, price $6,800. Despite having a salvage title, this truck is in excellent condition with approximately 254,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable V6 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers a good balance of performance and fuel efficiency. The truck features a clean white exterior and a gray interior, showcasing its overall good condition. Number 14. 2002 GMC Sierra, price $5,900, with a 4.8L V8 engine is now available. With 193,000 miles, this truck is in excellent condition. Featuring a gold exterior and a clean gray interior, it offers a comfortable and stylish ride. Equipped with a recently replaced transmission, new fuel pump, battery, alternator, tires, and brakes, the Sierra is ready to hit the road. It has passed smog inspections and is currently registered. Number 15. 1992 Chevrolet S10, price $3,950. This classic truck features a straight and solid body with original paint, a 4.3L V6 engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It also includes power steering, power brakes, a CD player, and a tilt steering wheel. The truck has been lowered with cut coils in the front and 3-inch blocks in the rear, and it rides on 15x7 and 15x8 Corvette rally wheels with Cooper tires. Recent maintenance includes a new idler arm, new motor mounts, and a fresh oil change. While the truck runs and drives well, it does have some cosmetic issues, including a cracked windshield, a torn seat, and a missing headliner.